Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we have come up with a question from the quantity section of the HSEE 2019 question paper. The question that we will be focusing on is question number 41 from the quant section, and let's take a look at the question, try to solve the same. Let A1, A2 dot 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 A5 and B1, B2 dot 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 B5 are two sets of consecutive positive numbers. Okay, average of A1, A2 dot 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 A5 is 2 less than the average of B1, B2 dot 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 B5. How many numbers are common between the sets A1, A2 dot 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 A5 and B1, B2 dot 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 B5? Okay, so we have two sets particularly. We have on one set A1, comma A2, comma A3, comma A4 and A5. These are our first set, and another set being B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Okay, so these are all positive numbers, consecutive positive numbers. So now was given that average of A series is 2 less than the average of D series. So what we have, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, this average is 2 less than plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. So this is what we are given. So this we can actually write it as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 plus 10 is equal to B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let us consider a few sequences of a consecutive positive numbers. Okay, basically summation of the A series should be 10 less than the summation of the B series. So let us consider the series, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's take this. So what's this sum? 6 plus 2, 10. So here the sum would be 15. Okay, now note what we need for the next series. We need the next series sum to be, we need this series sum to be 15 plus 10, that is 25. Okay, so what can we use in this regards? We can take we know okay, this is a consecutive series, right? So let's take another number. We end this number at 5, so let's take another two couple of numbers, say 6 and 7. We know 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay, so 6 and 7, if we take 6 and 7, okay, 13. So 13, we need 12 now. Okay, so 12, notice one thing, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 5, 12. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are my two series here. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Similarly, in terms of A, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now if I am to find the number of common terms in this regards, 3 is a common term, 4 is a common term and 5 is a common term. Okay, so we have 3 common terms. Option D is our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you. It's just a matter of observation. So initial few observations would do the trick. So just we have to get that plus 10 constraint in mind. Okay, so that's all what was needed. So I hope this thing is clear to you. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.